Hey, it's Jessica. I am in the process of reframing some of my canvases that I have done. I had, uh, if I can get to it, I had this, which is a beautiful tree house. I had it glued onto the back of this with some spray adhesive. And it was okay, but no cigar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in this frame. I know a lot of viewers are always wondering, hey, how do you frame um a canvas when you're finished? Well, here's a frame that I'm going to use. Now, of course, on the back you have all these clips. So I take my handy dandy framing tool, pair of scissors, and I loosen, get these all um, out of the way. Okay, and there we go. All right, so now we have it in pieces. We've got the frame, then we have the clear plastic, and they always come with a protective shield so that they don't scratch up. So now the trick is to, and with nails, it's not very easy to get that protective shield off. So I just kind of scratch it a little bit, scratch the surface, as they say. And now I'm getting the protective shield to lift. So you take that off, voila, and then you put the protective shield back in. And then, of course, it comes with that, it comes with a mat. So you put that back in. And then it has, that wonderful fake picture of Paris, and you throw that away. And then we take our picture and we make sure it's the right side that we want it. And before we put the backing in, we make sure that it is in the right direction. Because one time I put the frame on and then I went to go do the rest of it and it wasn't right. So, and now you just put just slight bit of pressure and put all these clips back where they belong into their happy little home. There we go. And like the last one I had to do, which took me almost a half hour, this one took me less than 4 minutes. Yay, we're done. See you later. Happy diamond painting.